At the British Halal Food Festival, I came across Lucknow to London. While majority of other food stalls were selling kebab and chips, this one caught my eye, and to be honest, out of all the foods I've tried out, this was my favourite meal. The mutton and the chicken were nicely cooked with different flavours with rice and different toppings. Just made my day.
Yeah, oil. Just make it mix one. So this is a traditional dish from Lucknow called pasande, but it's not like pasande here. It's cooked with roasted poppy seed and coconut.
Okay.
And this is stew. So the British took stew, and then the Indians made stew. We've got some and this is chili sauce. Got some tomato chutney over there as well. I know you serve it in a tray.